A few years back I did a video on my updates to the 1999 Hallmark Vintage Keepsake Ornament with flashing Lighthouse Light. A comment I received noticed an oversight on my part in that I did not show how to open the ornament. Well, last year I had to repair it again due to a bad capacitor, and I captured video of the disassembly. I just never posted it. So now, a year later, I will walk you through opening the ornament and doing that repair. There is a bottom panel of the ornament that is glued on. Using a tool such as an X-Acto knife, it is possible to pry and separate this panel from the ornament. I've added some close-up shots as I go through this process myself. You can use a variety of items to pry the panel off, and I've shown a few of them here. Start by getting in under a section of the panel edge, and then slowly pry up as you work your way around the panel. Once the bottom panel is removed, you now have access to 3 Phillips head screws. Once removed, you can now pop off the bottom of the ornament and have access to the circuit board inside. If you need to get to the Lighthouse Light, it will require breaking some pieces apart. I'd recommend starting in the least visible area to try and separate the top section. As you can see here, I did do some damage while I tried to figure out the best way to remove the top. I had better success removing the top cone while being careful not to break the green supports. Looking over it now, separating this other section might be possible, but I did not try it. Thus, some trial and error may occur for these repairs. That completes the disassembly. Now to the repair. When I connected the lighthouse last Christmas, it was flickering and not lighting as it should. I found that the 10 microfarad capacitor was bad, and replacing it fixed the problem. Here is an updated schematic with the original parts as well as the changes I made to support the LEDs. I've marked the capacitor I replaced here. Assembly is in reverse order, and you can use any kind of PVA glue to re-glue the bottom panel. I usually use this weld bond glue. And now the final reassembled lighthouse. I hope you enjoyed this video, and a thank you to those that have subscribed. Please take a look at my other projects, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays.